One of the reasons I love theatre is because of its power to present different worlds for exploration and discussion. Every industry has an opportunity to create change towards a more sustainable future. In the theatre industry, that change is often considered when talking about inspiring audiences to make change in their own lives and create action in community. But theatre itself is actually very wasteful sometimes. In the process of making theatre, so many materials are used and oftentimes those materials are discarded at the end. My name's David, I'm a theatre set and costume designer. I have always been involved in theatre and have cared about sustainability and the environment my entire life. I first started to explore the intersection between sustainability and theatre in the early days of my undergraduate degree after a series of bushfires around where I grew up, and I was working on a production seeing firsthand the waste that it created. I decided to look into what I could do to make more sustainable choices in my own theatre making and see if there were any events I could go to, things I could learn from, and people I could connect with. While there are practitioners who are putting the work in to make that change happen, there aren't many opportunities for people to gather and discuss. In a lot of other industries, there will be conferences and things like that that I have noticed where professionals can speak to these issues and people can learn from each other. Unfortunately, those sorts of events don't often occur within the arts. That's why I've created Staging for Change, an unConference focused on providing a platform for discussion around sustainable practice within live performance design. This is a space for practitioners to get together, to share their stories, to learn from each other, and tell each other what worked, what didn't, and inspire them to continue going out and working on making a difference themselves.